Okay, let's talk about even and odd functions for just a second. So let's say that this is our regular function that they've given us. They want us to draw the even and the odd finish of the graph on the other side. So we have an x and y coordinates, whatever they may be, of this graph. If I'm going to draw the even rest of it, it's going to be whatever the x value is, we'll multiply by negative, and y. So if the regular graph was over here to start, it would end up flipping over here. So the even graph flips over the y-axis. You're reflecting it. All right, so I'm going to draw that in green. So the negative, it becomes like the negative x values, but the y values remain the same. All right, now let's talk about the odd. Again, this one doesn't go through the origin. A lot of people think, oh, well, that means it's just even. Well, it still can be odd. It just needs to be rotated around the origin. Now, if that's the case, this is our even. This is what happens to the even coordinates. And for the odd coordinates, we get our negative x, so we would flip it over the x or the y-axis, and then we would also have a negative y, so we would flip it down here as well. So it would look something like this. So, I mean, the easiest way I can tell you to do it is to use actual coordinates from the graph. So let's say like 2, 2 was a point here. All right, and let's say that that was this point here. Well, down here, that would be negative 2, negative 2. If that makes sense. And then same thing here. We would have negative 2, positive 2, because we have a negative x, y. Or you can always think flip over the y-axis, flip over the x-axis, and that will give you the odd. So there's several different ways that you can do it, but hopefully this helps.